Welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make spinach omelette. The ingredients are 1 cup of spinach, 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons of cheese, 3 tablespoons of half and half cream, 1 teaspoon of butter, salt to taste. So now I'm going to chop up the spinach. Now I'm going to whisk the eggs and gonna add the 3 tablespoons of cheese and 3 tablespoons of cream towards the mixture, and in the end I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Now after whisking, I'm going to add the spinach to it. To this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Once the pan is hot, keep it in a medium heat and add 1 teaspoon of butter. To this I'm going to add the whisk mixture. After 1 minute, I'm just going to flip it into half. After 1 minute, I just turned it the other side around and your omelette is ready. Enjoy. Thank you.